We are continuing our series on the atomic habits. Are you moving forward? I keep hearing good comments about people who are establishing new habits and they're really enjoying this process. I hope you are as well. So far we've talked about the first law of human behavior, which was make it obvious. What are the cues you can put in your environment to make things obvious so that you'll remember to do them? Well, this coming Sunday, January 20th, right here at the Unity Center at 11 a.m., we're going to talk about the second law, make it attractive. What can we do to make our new good habits irresistible? That's what we want to do so that we get drawn toward them so that they become more a part of the fabric of our everyday life. So I look forward to seeing you next Sunday.